Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a Diva DIY Glam series collaboration 2019. And this collaboration is hosted by Diva Decorating and elaborate design by Ieasha. And in this collaboration we was asked to do a DIY shiny, blinging, or mirror. And this series lasts for the whole month of November, started November the 4th all the way through November the 30th. I decided to go with the bling because you know I love gold and bling. So let's start at my DIY. I added champagne glitter to this wonderful acorn and the fall leaves. I also added a little bling to the candles. Let's take a walk over to my coffee table. I purchased the branches with the fallen leaves from Hobby Lobby, but they were just one color, the silver. I went in with the shiny gold and add a little dimension to my fallen tree. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna give you a look all the way around. I love how the gold and the silver look great together. If you like this video and all this bling, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become a member of Living Better with Style family, where we do lifestyle changes, home decor, DIYs, shop with me, and hauls. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. Also go over to these wonderful ladies' channel and show them some love. They have some amazing home decor videos, DIYs that will inspire you to decorate your home on a budget. Thank you, ladies, for this wonderful collaboration and series. Thank you and have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.